Right now, we are going to discuss the second part answers of the 2019 Southern Province paper. Right, let's go to the first question. The first one given, also there are subparts given. Simple A, look at. In a container, there are 5 red color buttons and 4 blue color buttons. Right? Container mean a vessel, භාජනයක්. භාජනයක තියනවලු red color buttons 5ක්, blue color buttons 4ක්. Right? Then how many total buttons of this container? 5 and 4, 9 buttons, no? 9 buttons. Then the first part asks, write down the red color buttons as a fraction out of the total number of buttons. Right? Red color buttons වල fraction එකක් විදියට ලියන්නලු total එකෙන්. So how many red color buttons? There are 5 buttons, no? Total buttons 9. So what is the first part answer? You can write 5/9. It is the first question, simple A part. Right, simple A part, simple A first part answer 5/9. Right, then let's go to the second part. The second part given, write an equivalent fraction for the above fraction, which is the numerator 10. Equivalent fraction you have to write for this one, okay? 5/9. You have to write the equivalent fraction such that numerator is 10. Right? How you can write the answer? The fraction is 5/9. We have to write the suitable equivalent fraction such that numerator as 10. Right? Then 5 you can convert into 10 by multiplying 2. If numerator is multiplied by 2, also denominator you have to multiply by the same value. So what is the answer? 9 times 2, 18. Right? This is the second part answer of simple A. Right? Then we can go to simple B. Look at simple B. Filling the blanks using a suitable sign less than, greater than, or equal. Right. Look at the first part. First part given the two fractions 5/12 and 11/12, and also the second part given 3/8 and 5/16. Right. Now look at what you can do. The first part, look at. These two fractions denominators are equal, no? Then you know the theory. If the denominators are equal of the fractions, the larger fraction should be having larger numerator. So what is the larger fraction? 11/12. Right, then second part, numerators are not equal. Also denominators are not equal. Right, අපි numerators equal නම් දන්නවා කරන විදිය, denominators equal නම් දන්නවා කරන විදිය. හැබැයි මේකේ ඒ එකක්වත් equal නැහැ. Right, then using the equivalent fraction knowledge, you have to write equal denominators or equal numerators. I will write equal denominators. This one denominator 16, this one 8. Also 8 you can convert into 16, no, by multiplying 2. Then I can write these two fractions as denominator 16. This one not need to change. This fraction you have to multiply by 2. Then 3 times 2, 6. Now look at denominators are equal. Right? Then if the fractions denominators are equal, the larger fraction should be having larger numerator. Right? So what is the larger fraction? 6/16. That means 3/8 is the larger fraction. Right? It is the they are the answers for simple B. first and second parts. Then we can go to the C, simple C part. Simple C part given, addition and subtractions given. There are 4 subparts given. The first one, 3/7 add 2/7. And the second part given, 8/12 subtract 2/12. And third one given, 2/3 add 1/6. And part 4 given, 15/21 subtract 2/3. Right. Now revise the knowledge of addition and subtractions of the fractions. If the fraction denominators are equal, you can add or subtract. Right. Look at the first part. Denominators are equal. So answer denominator is same one, 7. 3 add 2. 3 plus 2 is 5. So the first part, 5/7. Second part also denominators are equal. So answer denominator same one, 12. 8 minus 2. 8 minus 2 is 6. 6/12. Right, but third one, denominators are unequal. So you have to write the equal denominator fractions. Then both denominators you can write as this one 6, no, this one 3. 3 also you can convert into 6, no. So both denominators you can write as 6. Then what you can do, first fraction you have to multiply by 2. 2 times 2, 4, and here 1. Right, now denominators equal, so answer denominator same one, 6. 4 plus 1, 5. So the third part answer 5/6. Right, then last one, the fourth part, also denominators are unequal. So this denominator 21, this one 3. 3 also we can convert into 21. So both denominators you can write as 21. First fraction not need to change. 3 you have to multiply by 7, no, to convert into 21. So both numerator and denominators you have to multiply by 7. 2 times 7, 14. Now denominators are equal, so answer denominator 21. 15 minus 14, 1. Right, they are the answers for simple C of the first question. 4 subparts given, they are the answers. Right, then look at the last part of the first question. Last part given, the number given, you have to write in standard form. Revise the second lesson. Standard form means you have to separate into periods, no? Then how you can separate into periods from the end of the number 3 digit by 3 digits towards your left hand side, you have to separate into periods, right? Like this.
Sir, help please.
Right. Then when you write the standard form, these periods you have to write with keep the spaces. First period 45, then space 321, space 687. Then the next part given, write in word form. The last period should be unit period. This period should be thousands period. This one should be millions period, no? So you can write, first you have to write the digit, the number of the period 45. 40, if you want you can write FORTY, okay? If you want you can write FOURTY. Both are no problem, correct? 45, the period name is million. Then 321. Then you have write the period name 1000. Then next period 687. The period is unit, but you don't write the period name of unit period, right? Other all period names you have to write, but you don't write unit period name. So this is the second part answer, word form. Right, they are the all answers for the first question of this paper. Right, then let's go to second question. The second one given, also there are three subparts given. Simple A, a circle given, then some points given. You have to complete this table. First column place, second column points. First part, on the circle, what are the points? A and D. A given, so the second blank you have to write D. Inside the circle points B and C. Outside the circle, F and E. Right. Then unit converting part given, simple B. 70 millimeters, 1 centimeter equal 10 millimeters. So this value you have to divide by 10. 70 divide 10, 7. So this one answer is 7 centimeters. 8 centimeters, 4 millimeters, you have write in millimeters. 8 centimeters mean 80 millimeters, no? And 4, 80 plus 4, 84. 675 meters, you have to write in centimeters. 1 meter equal 100 centimeter. So you have to multiply 675 by 100. 675 you have to multiply by 100. When you multiply by 100, you have to put two zeros end of this number. No? So what is the answer? 67,500. Next one, centimeters given, you have to convert into meters. Centimeter is smaller unit, meter is larger unit. Smaller unit convert into larger unit, you have to divide by the relationship. What's the relationship? 1 meter equal 100 centimeters, right? So 125, you have to divide by 100. right? අපිට divide එක මෙහෙම ලියන්නත් පුළුවන් නේද? හරි. එතකොට මේක දන්න ඕගොල්ලෝ fraction knowledge එක use කරලා ලියන්න පුළුවන්. What is the answer? Two decimal places you have to keep, no? So what is the answer? 1.25. 1.25 meters. Next one, meters convert into kilometers. So this value you have to divide by 1000. When you divide by 1000, what you have to do? You have to keep 3 decimal places. So the answer 20.375. 20.375 kilometers. The next question should be correction here 1. මෙතන 1 වෙන්න ඕන එක. Right. Then you have to match. Right. Now you check suitable values. 115 minutes. How you can write? What is a suitable answer for the second box? It is suitable 1 minute 55 seconds. 45 minutes. 45 minutes suitable in seconds. 45 multiply 60. 2700 seconds. Next one, 2 hours. 2 hours we can write 120 minutes. 2 days. 2 days you can write as 48 hours. 72 hours you can write as 3 days. Right, they are the answers for the second question. Right, then let's go to the third question. Third one given, also there are 3 subparts given. Simple A, look at. Separate the below things into 2 groups. Then second part, write down a suitable name for each group. Selection lesson. Right, you can see the items here: north, south, northwest, east, west, southwest, southeast, northeast. Then you can separate these two like this. No, how you can separate? Main directions and sub directions. right? These two should be the answer for second part. Then in this one, you can write the main directions, right? You can write here north, west, south, east. Then in this figure, you can write subdirections, right? එතකොට අනිත් ටික ඔයගොල්ලන්ට මේ subdirections යටතේ මේ figure එක ඇතුලේ ලියන්න පුළුවන්. හරිද? මම කෙටියෙන් ලියන්නම්. north west, south west, south east and north east. Right, then part B, look at the square grid represent few places located on a village. Pierre's house is represented by the letter capital A. This is capital A here. He went out from the house and came back to the house through the given path represented using arrowheads. හරි මේ නිවසින් පිටත් වෙලා මේ විදියට ගිහිල්ලා මේ arrowheads තියෙන මාර්ගයේ ආයමත් ගෙදරට ඇවිල්ලා තියෙනවා. Complete the following table using the directions. Right. Then you can draw the 8 directions. Then easily you can write the answers for this part. This direction is north. This one south. This one east. This one north. Then sorry, this one not north. It should be west. Then this one should be northwest. This one northeast. Here southeast. And this direction should be southwest. Right, සාමාන්‍ය ඔයගොල්ලෝ මේ වගේ directions question එකක් එනවා නම් මේ විදියට අර main direction, sub directions, directions අට draw කරගන්න. Right? Then look at from A to B, north. From B to C, this direction, east. From C to D, C to D mean this direction, no? What is this direction? Northeast. From D to E, D to E mean this direction. This direction is southeast. Then finally, from E to A. E to A mean this direction. It is southwest. Right, they are the answers for simple B. Right, then let's go to simple C part. It is the last part of the third question. Simple C part given, filling the blanks using suitable word. First part, to identify whether a plane is horizontal, we use horizontal. තිරස් බව පරීක්ෂා කරන්න මොකක්ද අපි ගන්නෙ? Spirit level. Instruments you have to write, okay? Spirit level. To identify whether a plane is vertical, we use vertical. සිරස් බව අපි මොකක්ද use කරන උපකරණය? ළඹය නේද? Plumb. Right, very easy questions given. Right, then let's go to fourth main question. Look at the fourth main question. Some diagrams given, then also the table given. You have to separate these given figures into correct columns. Complete the table given below using the letters of the following plane figures. Right, then what are the four columns given? Closed rectilinear plane figures, open rectilinear plane figures, closed curved line plane figures, open curved line plane figures. This one, open figure, no, it's only straight lines. So it is open rectilinear plane figure. So simple A, you have to put second column. Simple B, containing only straight line segments and closed one. So it is closed rectilinear plane figure. So simple B we have to put into first column. Simple C, open figure. It has curved line. So it should be simple C. You have to put into fourth column. Open curved line plane figures. D, it is closed figure, curved lines containing. So you have to put it into third column. E has straight line segments only. It is a closed figure. So it is closed rectilinear figure. First column. Next one, open figure, curved lines containing. So open curved line F. Next one, closed plane figure containing the curved lines. So you have to put it into third group. And last one, open figure rectilinear. So second column you have to put it. Right, එහෙනම් මේක කරන්න තියෙන්නේ මෙන්න මේ විදියට ඒ ටික include කරන්න විතරයි. Right, then let's go to the next part of the fourth question. The next part given, simple B part. Name the angles in given figure. There are 5 types of angles you studied, no? Acute angles, right angles, obtuse angles, straight angles, and reflex angles. Then look at A. A is straight angle. Straight angle. B is reflex angle, no? C. Acute angle. D. Obtuse angle. Right, they are the answers for the fourth question. Right, then let's go to the fifth question. Fifth question given. Write down the below fractions as decimals. Right, first one 6/10. One decimal place you have to keep. So the answer 0.6. Next one 35/100. Denominator 100. So you have to keep two decimal places. The answer 0.35. Simple B, write down the below numbers in ascending order. Right, first you can compare the whole numbers 0, 0, 0, 1. Larger one is 1.35. හරි නම් මේක තමයි ලොකුම කෙනා 1.35. Ascending order you have to write. Then you can compare the remaining three decimals 0.2, 0.5, 0.25. Right, එහෙනම් පොඩිම කෙනා තමයි 0.2. first decimal place check කරන්න. එතකොට මෙයා 2, මෙයා 2 තියෙනවා. මෙයාගේ 2 0 තියෙන්නේ. second decimal place එක 0, මෙයාගේ 5. එහෙනම් පොඩිම කෙනා 0.2. It is the smallest decimal number. The next larger one is 0.25. And next larger one 0.5. And largest one is 1.35. Right, simple C given addition. When you add, you keep the correct position of the decimal point, then you add the normal numbers. 6 plus 3, 9. 7 plus 0, 7. 0 plus 0, 0. 0.79. Next one, subtraction. Also, first you keep the decimal point in correct position, then normal subtraction you do. 11 minus 3, 8. And here is 7. 17 minus 6. Sorry, here is 7. 5, no? 5. Then 15 minus 6, 9. And this digit should be 2. 2 minus 1, 1. Right? Simple D. Mark -4 and 2 on the number line. Right? First you have to mark -4 and +2. Then the last part given, write down all the integers between -4 and 2 in ascending order. Ascending. Gradually increasing. No? වැඩි වෙන පිළිවෙලට ලියන්නලු. Between -4 and 2. Integers mean what? Negative and positive whole numbers including 0. Right? So we can write -3, -2, -1, 0, 1. They are the integers between -4 and 2 in ascending order.